Hey guys, so I saw some really good questions that people had about 3 different functions in Cricut Design Space. They wanted to know the difference between weld, group, and attach. So with weld, when you have something like this, something in cursive that you want pieces to overlap and become one shape, you would, in this instance, you could shrink down the letter spacing so that the parts that you want overlapping are. But right now, if we were to have our Cricut cut this out, it would still see each of these letters as separate shapes. So it would cut out the W separate from the E, so there would be a little cut here and a little cut here. So they would still be 3 separate shapes instead of 1. So that's where we would click on this and hit weld. And now we know that this part is all one shape and there's not going to be those little cuts separating the letters. And group, when you're designing in Design Space and you say you design this and you like the way that it looks with all these components near each other, but you have other components you're going to move around with it and you don't want to keep highlighting and dragging, that's what group does. So when you hit group, now when you click and drag on any part of it, it brings the whole thing. So when I click and drag on the star and move it, it's not going to move just the star over here, it's going to move the whole thing. So that's what group does. It groups things together just on this end of Design Space. It does not keep them grouped on the map. That's what attach does. Attach keeps things together on the map side. So you can see right now when we go click make it, that here's group and our stars are down here and it looks nothing like it did in Design Space here. So if we want to attach everything in relationship to each other and have it cut it out exactly that way on the mat, we would click everything that we want in a specific group and we would hit attach. And you can see that when we go click make it, that they're in the exact same orientation in regards to each other as they were in here. So I hope that clarifies the differences for you guys between weld, attach, and group. And hopefully designing in Design Space will be that much easier for you guys.